So today we will see the topic that is your the ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर, राइट? तो अभी इसके ऊपर भी एक शॉर्ट नोट पूछी जा सकती है जो बहुत सिंपल है ना। अभी तक हमने जो ट्रांसफार्मर देखा, इसके पहले वाले वीडियोस में टाइप्स देखे हैं, उसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स देखे, तो जो कुछ भी ट्रांसफार्मर देखे तो उस वहाँ पे एक मैग्नेटिक कोर रहता था और दो वाइंडिंग रहते थे। यहाँ पे प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग रहता था और यहाँ पे क्या रहता था स्टूडेंट, सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग रहते थे। लेकिन एक ऐसा ट्रांसफार्मर जिसपे एक ही वाइंडिंग, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ वन वाइंडिंग, मतलब प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी होता है लेकिन एक के नीचे एक होता है, एक ही साइड का, तो वो किस में होता है? ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर, राइट? और काम इसके यूज, इसके एप्लीकेशंस अलग है, दैट आई विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन। सो ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्म, राइट? So this is what the magnetic core, the diagram I'm telling you, magnetic core, this is one winding. This winding is present over here after this, you can say the primary winding. Okay, here red color से blue color से दिखी, right? Now an auto transformer is a transformer that has only the one continuous winding on laminated core that I already have told you. A part of this winding is common to both primary and secondary circuit through which the energy is transferred by the induction. Working principle near about same है लेकिन construction थोड़ा different है. It is a similar, lighter and more efficient and economical compared with the two winding transformer of the same rating. So this is the difference between the normal transformer that we have seen and this auto transformer. So what is the working principle? देखो working principle भी same है. It operates on the principle of mutual induction. Then what is when AC voltage is applied across a part of winding, an alternating magnetic flux it's set up in the core, that the same like that of normal transformer. This flux linked with the entire winding induces EMF in the primary and secondary portion of the winding because of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Huh? And the voltage is transferred, the voltage transformation depends on the ratio of number of turns between the primary and secondary portion. यहाँ पे कितने turns है, यहाँ पे कितने turns है उसके ऊपर. So very important line, in auto transformer, power is transferred partially by the induction and partially by the direct electrical conduction. This is the different thing through the common winding, right? So this is what working principle of this, or you can say the working steps for this auto transformer. Now what is this one? What is this A to B? देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, A to B क्या है? Full winding है, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक you can say the full winding. It is entire is primary winding. A to C, this is what A to C is what the portion of winding, that is your the secondary winding, ये वाला part. And C to B, this one is what the common portion, the shared winding. Okay. So what where it is used, the auto transformer कहाँ पे use होता है? It is used in the VARAC, that is variable AC regulator. It is used in the booster application in the distribution line, you can say. It is used in the induction motor to reduce the starting voltage and starting current. Used in the testing laboratories for voltage control and the testing. So there are many applications. You can write 2 to 3 applications statement in the examination. And what about the voltage regulation? For this, voltage regulation is what? V2 by V1, which is equals to N2 by N1. But there are two types of auto transformer again that we are going to see in the next video. That is step up auto transformer and step down auto transformer, right? तो step up का तो मीनिंग आपको पता है कि वोल्टेज अगर बढ़ाना है, स्टेप डाउन वोल्टेज अगर कम करना है, लेकिन ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर स्टेप अप कैसे काम करता है और स्टेप डाउन कैसे काम करता है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. फॉर दिस आई एम गिविंग द हिंट. फॉर स्टेप डाउन, this N2 is less than N1 and N2 is greater than N1, or in case of step up transformer, मतलब number of turns in the primary winding and number of turns in the secondary winding is varies in the step up and step down, right? So in examination the question is on that you need to draw this diagram along with this introduction part and working principle, and just enlist the 2 to 3 applications of a transformer, and this formula is also important. Okay. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.